So this is the stones and everything, the shells that I put on in. I added more stones and more shell, and I am trying to turn the shell. Actually, when I dropped the shell, because the jar is a little bit longer, it was upside down, so I turn it, then turn it so that it will face downward. Then I added more shell. So because when I was dropping everything, it was turning the other way. So I actually wanted it to face down so that the back of the shell, the design will be showing. So I added more stones, and this is water from the tap with a royal blue color. Actually, I wanted it to be light blue. Then I unfortunately put on the color to be much. So what I did is that when the water was becoming too deep, I diluted the water and I pour it in halfway. This is the first stage and this is the outcome. Then I added more water, the blue water, to the jar to fill it to the brim. And I have the second ocean in the jar again. And so, okay, this is the other side. As you can see, the marble and the shell showing. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time and take care. Bye.